on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you?
All right, y'all, the company we will be working with today is Megalook. Y'all, they were kind enough to send me a wig, and they also sent me all these free goodies. So thank you to Megalook for sponsoring today's video. But so they sent me the 13x4 transparent lace chestnut color deep wave wig in 22 inches, y'all. And I'm telling y'all, this wig was so soft. The lace was very easy to blend, y'all. Definitely my favorite go-to wig for the fall. And as y'all can see, it comes with 4 combs and a elastic band. Thank God. This wig ended up being a little too big for me, so I did have to do a lot of cutting. But as y'all can see, y'all, look at the softness of this wig, y'all. I did go in with some bio silk, and I did go ahead and blow dry and brush, which kind of straightened out the curls. But once I wet the wig, the curls went back to its natural state. All right, y'all, so hopping in and getting straight into the ball cap, y'all. I did the basic ball cap method. I put some foundation on top. Y'all already noticed, like, this is the same wig install routine as everybody else on YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. And thank you to Megalook for sponsoring today's video.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch saying bad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not with a scene. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's floating a theme. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking me, what that I mean? That is bitch, are you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on the next, days not breathing. Thumb in a check, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. See with my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Know what you love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She keep on staring, cause she'll be a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still, he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still, he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like,
only the beginning.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
I need you before.